Hi everyone, how's it going? I'm here to show you how you can make an out-of-stat and GitHub profile which makes you look different and more professional as a developer. So you would be able to impress the recruiters, the employers, and having an edge in more interviews or something like that. So here's how. I made a Readme file and decorated it, used some stats, and this way I'll be able to keep track of how many profile views I have and how many followers. And I have made some, I have used some GIFs, so it would be a little fun and more entertaining. And also stats about my profile, the most languages that I use across all the repositories that I have, how many hours I kept coding and what I coded, and my daily stats and the IDE that I use, my expertise, and the link to my YouTube channel, encouraging people to talk with something, and the way to contact. So if you want to know how you can build such a thing, just keep watching, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and let's go. Well, if you're still watching, let's go to see how we can build it. So the trick is here. You are gonna go to your repositories and you are gonna make a new repository with exactly the same name of your profile and your GitHub ID. And yeah, inside that, what you are gonna put is just a README file. And yeah, and some other stuff that you may need, like your GIFs or other things. But yeah, the mandatory thing is a README file. That it's, as it says, it'll appear on your public profile. So here is the trick. You are gonna go to the README file and you are gonna start editing it. It's pretty much it. And whatever you put there, it'll show up. You know, GitHub doesn't care if you're using a GIF or if you're writing. It's just a text, it's some stats or whatever. GitHub just renders it, and yeah, people will see that whenever they visit your profile, and it'll be just right there. So let's check out the code and what is written inside. Yeah, it's if you're familiar with the Markdown language, here we just put an image and made it center. And yeah, three other GIFs, which you can do the same. I gave widths to them, so they wouldn't be too small, too big. So, and then I rotate the title, yeah, to descriptions and a link to some websites. And here comes this. These two are for the stats of how many followers I have and how many viewers does my GitHub profile have. And also this part is about getting how many hours I have worked. To get this, I have used a tool called Wake Time, something like that, which you can go to to their website and subscribe and integrate your coding environments, and it'll keep track of your coding times, and it'll give you the stats of how many hours you have coded on which language, on which programming language, with this beautiful chart here, which you can see in your profile dashboard, which IDE you have used, and which operating system, your daily tracks, and whatever. So here it is, and just go and use it. You can find a link to that on this GitHub repo that I will put a link on it in the description below, so check it out and come here to this GitHub repo to get all that stats and read this README file, and it'll make you up and running with everything you need to get those stacks up and running. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how I took those things. Same here. I used the same facilities that I just discussed to get to the stats and all. And here I used some logos, some SVG logos to demonstrate what I have, what my expertise are. So here is a good source. You can pretty much put whatever you want here, but uh, here is a good source to SVG logos, the Vector Logo Zone website. And yeah, as it says, for Readme or created pages, you can just search it out. For example, Node, it'll bring up HTML, yeah, that's it, for example. You go in and you choose your wanted logo. You can download it, which will be a way of doing that, or get a code which will be copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it just here and it'll show it your GitHub profile, and that's it. And that's all. And here in the contact me part, I just put some links to my social media, my LinkedIn profile, my GitLab, my Twitter, and whatsoever, yeah. And here is how you can do it. And it'll be very much beautiful, I think. And you can, if you want to use this project and customize it for your own sake, you can do it. It's just a open source project. You can fork it and use it as the way you want. Yeah, you can use the file. I'll put the link in the description below, and you'll be good to go. I hope you have used it. I hope it was I hope it was a useful thing for you. And yeah, if you have used it, if you have made a beautiful, nice looking GitHub profile, just comment it down below and I will definitely check it out. I will see what you make and I will definitely comment on that and say my opinion about it. And I will definitely follow your GitHub profile, which is pretty cool. And here it is. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you have liked this video, definitely don't forget to put a like there. And yeah, I will check you out again. And yeah, this is it for now. We'll see you later, and have a nice day, and bye.